Welcome guys to this channel. Guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make liquid soap at your home. But before I go into that, I want to let you guys know that I love you guys so much for always supporting this channel. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like it and share it. And also click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime a new video is dropped in this channel. Thank you so much for doing that at all time. So guys, soap is so important in the house. It's one thing that you don't have to lack in your house, because you need it to wash your dishes, you need it to clean your home, and some people actually use it to wash their clothes. So that's what I'm going to teach you guys today, how to make liquid soap. So water is the first thing that you need for your liquid soap. And you also need a bowl like that, a big bowl. That will help you to stir your soap very well. And the second thing I'm going to show you is a long spatula, a turning stick or spatula, but I actually like a very long one. It's always good to use a long one so that your hands would not get into the soap when you are mixing it because of the chemicals you're going to use. It's my spatula there, or turner, that I'm going to use to do all the mixing. Then you need nitrosol. Nitrosol. That's number one ingredient that you need, is in powder form. I actually decided to use it this way so it will be easier for you to see it than pouring them in a container. So that's nitrosol. Another ingredient, soda ash. This is sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. This is what you also need, is in liquid form. I decided to use this, transparent nylon so you can see them very well. And you need this STPP. This is Texapon. That's another ingredient that you need. But Texapon actually comes in form of gel. It looks more like gel, unlike the other ones. The other ones are they are in powder form, but this is gel. It looks like gel. So this is Texapon. This is sodium lauryl sulfate. That's another ingredient that you need, or SLS. Short form SLS. So even when you go to a place to buy it where they sell these chemicals, just tell them that you're looking for SLS and they will give you. It's called caustic soda. This is the one that you really have to be very careful when you're using it. So this is caustic soda. And this is foam booster. Foam booster is very important for your soap because this is what actually gives the foaming part of the soap. So this is foam booster, and it's somehow like it's not really like gel, but it's a bit thicker than water, so to say, and the color is a bit creamy, not pure white like water. So that's it. That's your foam booster, and it's very important for your soap. This one here is the color. I've chosen green color, so I love the green color for my soap, so that's why I have the green one here. It has different colors, but I always prefer green. And this one here is the fragrance or perfume, so to say. I've chosen to use lemon fragrance for the soap of today. So this is lemon. It's like it's oil, actually. It's oil, and it's highly concentrated. So this is lemon fragrance. That is what I'm going to use today for my liquid soap. Very last ingredient here is preservative. Preservative is going to help your soap to last longer, as long as you can keep it, but not forever. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use today to make my liquid soap. So stay tuned and enjoy the production. Right now, I'm gonna add my first ingredient to my soap, which is the nitrosol. So you just have to pour it directly to the water. Directly to the water, then you stir it. You stir it, you dissolve it in the water directly like that. Just pour the water. You pour the nitrosol into the water. I've actually used 10 liters of water here. So you just do your own thing according to the quantity of soap that you want to make. And that's how you're going to also measure the quantity of the ingredients you need to use. So I've just added my nitrosol to the 10 liters of water right now. And I'm stirring it. I will also add my soda ash directly to the water. So you can see I'm adding my soda ash now. And I will stir. I'm mixing the two things together now. I'm gonna mix it very well for like 5 to 7 minutes. You keep stirring for about 5 to 7 minutes. And as you're stirring it, as you're mixing it very well, you see the water is changing, it's becoming thicker. With the two ingredients, the water is becoming thicker and creamy. The color of the water has also changed to a creamy color, which you can see. So you just have to keep stirring, keep mixing it very well. So after this, I'm going to add my STPP. So this is my STPP. Small quantity of water, and then I will dissolve it. I use a smaller spatula like that. STPP, so you must mix it first with water before you now pour it to the mixture. So I'm gonna add it to the mixture. And then I will mix it. That's my STPP that I've dissolved with water. Keep mixing it, mix it very well. If it's not well mixed, if the STPP is not well mixed, you're gonna be having things like lumps inside your soap. And I know you don't want that to happen to your soap. So you have to take your time and mix it very well to avoid lumps in your soap. Keep mixing until you find out that there's no lumps. So this is my Texapon. That's my Texapon. That is my Texapon. And this is sulfonic acid. That's my sulfonic acid. And this is Texapon. This is Texapon and sulfonic acid. Like I'm mixing them together right now before I'll pour them into the bigger mixture. So you have to mix them very well. It's hot, they're not very hot. Texapon and sulfonic acid. So I'm gonna pour them now into the mixture. Pouring it into the mixture. Pour that into the mixture, so I'm not gonna stir that. I'm gonna leave it to react for some time. So I'll leave that to react. That is the mixture of sulfonic acid and Texapon. After mixing them together, I now pour them into the bigger mixture and leave it for a while to react. Guys, now I'm gonna be mixing my caustic soda and SLS together. That's my caustic soda and SLS. Like I said earlier, they're just in powder form. So I'm gonna add small water and I'm mixing. This is quite hot because of this caustic soda. One have to be very careful. Have to be very careful mixing this. It's quite hot. Caustic soda is very dangerous, especially in your eyes. So you have to be very careful when you're dealing with this. And then I will just pour into the mixture. The mixture of caustic soda and SLS, which I've just poured into the bigger mixture, and I'm gonna leave that for 20 minutes to react. Then I will stir. So guys, everything is well dissolved now. So I'm gonna stir like I'm stirring it now. I'll keep mixing it till everything is well mixed. Some people can actually go like very fast. So guys, I'm going to add my foam booster. I'm going to add my foam booster right now. I've really taken my time to mix up, to stir the mixture very well. So that's my foam booster. I'm adding it direct to the mixture. Adding it direct to the mixture. And you can see it's beginning to foam. It's beginning to foam. Now I'm going to dissolve my color. I'm going to use water to dissolve my color. That's my color. Like I said, I chose green for it. So I'm going to add water to it now and dissolve it. And then I will add it to the mixture. That's my color there. It's well dissolved in the water. The color. Showing. So that's my fragrance. I'm adding it direct to the mixture. I'm adding it direct to the mixture. That's my fragrance. And I will stir. So guys, I'm gonna add the last thing in there, which is the preservative. You have to add it directly to your mixture. Directly to your mixture. And you stir. Mix it very well and you pack it for your use. So that's the production of liquid soap at home. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I promise to bring more things your way. So always remember to come to this channel. Sorry I didn't remember to show you guys on time. You need your funnel for packing, your products at the end of the day, and you need a cup like that to fetch it into the container that you need to use. So guys, you also need this container. You need this container here, to store your soap and leave it in the kitchen. This is the soap. This is what it comes out like at the end of the day. That's the soap. So you also need this cover here. You can use this cover and then you pop it up like that. That's the result of the production. So you need that cover there. Need that cover there to help you. Or this cover. That one is just easy for you to press it and then the soap comes out. So whichever one you choose is to use is your choice. So guys, this is the result of my liquid soap production. So guys, that is the making of liquid soap from me, and I promise to bring more things your way as long as you keep tuning to this channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for your patience. And feel free to try this at home. And if you have any question to ask me concerning this production, just feel free and drop your comments in the comment section of this video.